Have you ever laid in bed, eyes closed, body tired, but your mind just won't switch off? You check the time, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and sleep still won't come. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Insomnia affects millions of people worldwide, and it's more than just not sleeping. It can affect your mood, memory, hormones, and even your overall health. But here's the good news. There are real effective ways to fix it, both medically and naturally. Let's break it down. What is insomnia? Insomnia is a sleep disorder where you have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early and not being able to go back to sleep. It can be short-term, a few days or weeks, or chronic, lasting months or even years. And the causes? They range from stress, anxiety, hormonal changes, poor sleep habits, medications, or even lifestyle choices. Why you should take it seriously. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you don't sleep properly, your body struggles to repair itself, produces more stress hormones, weakens your immune system, and affects your mental clarity. Long-term insomnia can even increase the risk of conditions like depression, heart disease, and weight gain. Medical treatments for insomnia. If insomnia becomes persistent, medical help is important. 1. Sleep medications. Doctors may prescribe sedative hypnotics, sleeping pills, melatonin-based medications, anti-anxiety medications. If stress is the cause. Important. These should only be used under medical supervision because some can be habit-forming. 2. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI. This is one of the most effective treatments. It helps you change negative thoughts about sleep, build better sleep habits, reset your sleep cycle naturally. Many experts actually recommend CBTI over sleeping pills. 3. Treat underlying conditions. Sometimes insomnia is a symptom, not the main problem. Conditions like anxiety, depression, hormonal imbalance, chronic pain. Treating these can significantly improve sleep. Natural ways to improve sleep. Now let's talk about natural methods. These are powerful and often underrated. 1. Fix your sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Avoid long daytime naps. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual. Consistency trains your brain to sleep. 2. Reduce screen time at night. Phones and TVs emit blue light that blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try to avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed, or use night mode/blue light filters. 3. Relax your mind. Before bed, deep breathing, meditation, journaling your thoughts. This helps calm an overactive mind, one of the biggest causes of insomnia. 4. Watch what you consume. Avoid caffeine, especially after afternoon. Alcohol close to bedtime. Heavy meals late at night. Herbs that may help with insomnia. Nature also provides gentle sleep support. 1. Chamomile. A calming herb often taken as tea. Helps reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. 2. Valerian root. Known for its sedative effects. Can help you fall asleep faster. 3. Lavender used as oil or tea. Its scent alone can calm the nervous system. 4. Ashwagandha. An adaptogen that reduces stress and balances hormones. Helpful if your insomnia is stress-related. 5. Passionflower. Helps improve sleep quality and reduce restlessness. Important note: even natural herbs can interact with medications. Always consult a healthcare professional before using them regularly. Simple night routine you can try. Here's a simple routine. Take a warm bath or shower. Drink chamomile tea. Turn off lights and screens early. Do 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Consistency is key. Results don't happen overnight, but they do happen. Insomnia can feel frustrating, even exhausting. but it's not something you have to live with forever. Whether you choose medical treatment, on natural remedies, or a combination of both, the goal is the same: to give your body the rest it deserves. Because when you sleep better, you live better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health content that actually makes sense.